Today, we're going to add a film roll transition to your video. This transition creates the effect of a film reel rolling into the next scene, perfect for giving your video a retro cinematic vibe. Let's get started. First, make sure you have at least 2 clips on your timeline. Now, tap on the white square icon between the clips to open up the transition menu. Once you're in the menu, head over to the film section. Here you'll find the first 4 transitions. Each one gives you that classic film roll effect. Select the one that suits your style. Next, adjust the duration slider to decide how fast or slow you want the transition to happen. A shorter duration will make it quick, while a longer duration gives it a more dramatic roll. You can also adjust the volume slider. If you want sound during the transition, leave the volume up, but if you'd prefer to remove the sound completely, just drag it all the way to the left. Once you're happy with your settings, tap the check mark to apply the transition, and that's it. You've added the perfect film roll transition to your video, giving it that cinematic, vintage feel. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more InShot tips and tricks.